Hey, it's Sam back here and welcome to this video. Now, this is a brand new software that's coming out today, and down below you'll see a number of bonuses. We put in some video bonuses down there and a lot of good stuff as well. This is called Smart Video Evolution. It's been a work in progress for a long time. These guys are really good at doing this one thing, and I haven't seen this done well anywhere else other than this particular software here. It's really unique and it really gets your attention, and it's perfect if you want to increase conversions or have something really unique you can offer clients that are going to help them as well. Now, what this software does is basically you add your Facebook account, and then it starts to personalize the videos. So this is the sales video, this is their sales video, and basically, as you can see, that's my picture there, and it says the mini lives of Sam, and this data is all taken from my Facebook. But what it's doing is it's using it within the video to grab my attention and to really engage me in a really interesting and unique way. So that's my face there, that's my photo, and that's my name used within this video itself. Now, you'll be able to try this out yourself when you go to the sales page. You can click down below to test this out. When you go to the sales page, it'll actually give you a demonstration of this in action. You'll be able to connect with Facebook or LinkedIn, and then the software is going to show you how this works and what you can actually install on your web page itself. Now, the editor itself has become really easy to use. I've just been testing out a couple of templates here. This is a template here, again a personalization template that you can do. I added my Facebook again, and it's again including my name into this video, which again is going to get my attention if I'm someone that's watching from somewhere external. Now, if I wanted to use one of these videos, for example, I want to use this template. Let's try this. Now, the editor itself within Video Remix Evolution is really easy to use, and you'll see it's giving me a quick tour of it. I don't need the tour, so I'll go through it just really quickly. And basically what we have here, as it's walking me through it, is we have here basically a new editing system. And this editing system, once I've finished going through the tutorials, which I've finished now, basically has a wide range of different features. It's much similar to other systems out there that you will have probably tried before, where you've got the media, how to add media. You can upload your own videos here. That's located on the left hand side at the top. Images, you can upload your own videos or search around the internet to find more. Then you've got music, which you can attach to your videos as well. Now, where this gets really interesting is with these elements here. The elements itself, when the software was first being developed, there was only really name available. Now what you've got is you've got the ability to add in geo country, so location. You've got the ability to add in smart text. Now, this smart text is located down here. And if we were to navigate this, you could actually see that smart text in action here. So this is smart text right here, and it has the person's first name used within the text. And that means that when someone connects up their Facebook account, then what it's going to mean is it's going to actually say their name here. And you can add these by just going personalize, and then you get a list of different personalization options to really make your videos stand out for people that are watching them. So you can add your first name, you can add your last name, or their last name, their email, their country, their city, and their state. All that information can be added within this text here. So you add it within the text. But now they've added a wide range of additional features here. So you've got smart speech, where you can actually personalize the voice that's used. So if someone is, like my name is Sam, for example, you could actually have my voice being said within the actual video itself. So you could actually have your visitor, the person that's visiting and watching, you could actually utilize this to say their voice and actually personalize the speech as well now, which is really cool. You've got other elements like text mask. This is really cool. So you can create one of these text masks and have something in the background, like a video playing in the background. This usually works really well with beautiful images, beautiful videos. You've probably seen it being used before. What I'll do is I'll just go back up. I can see that I can drag this across. If I wanted to utilize this at a particular point in my video, I could go and I could search for the point of the video that I wanted to use this. And say, for example, I wanted to put it here. I'll just drag across the timeline here, and we'll just find where you'd kind of use this mask. Usually like this. So you can see here there's a video in the background here. So I could customize it to kind of come in when that video is happening. If I wanted to add some particular special text there, then you can see this video mask might come in here. and show this video in the background. So it would actually play within the background. The editor itself is very quick. For an online editing system, it's very flexible. You can play everything very quickly. It's basically instant to do everything, which is really, really handy. So you can drag these around, you can reposition them as you want, you can edit the text as well within each of these by simply selecting and typing, or selecting in here and typing. And there's also a range of other elements. There's personalized images. These images can be featured here, and this can be a personalized image. You saw my face being featured within the video, so this would actually feature the person's face within the video when used. So that also is very, very useful. They've got a really easy way of deleting things now, which is great. And we can also add other elements such as images, personalizers. These personalizers, they're located here. Again, we can use a brand. We can add in our brand into this. We could add and ask for their email address, their name. We could add their name into this form, and we could actually capture email addresses through this system as well. You've also got the ability as well to add stickers, GIF stickers, Gifly, blend modes, which is basically some, if we go into here and have a look, which is basically some really interesting types of animated effects that can be added into this as well. So if I was to add blend modes, you can see what that does to it. It basically will make a really interesting effect, either in the background or the foreground. This is great for cartoon style videos, or videos where you want to make something a little bit more interesting. So you can see how that looks right there. It looks really, really cool. You also have the ability to add overlays. So these overlay functions are here, where you can actually overlay things over top. These are animations, full scale like animations that you can overlay over top of your videos, which is really, really cool. You also get the ability here as well to add wrappers, video wrappers. These wrappers, again, these are great for social media. They feature up the top and the bottom usually. When you're going through them, they'll feature up the top and the bottom, and you can personalize the top and the bottom bars that are used. You've got call to actions like buttons, lower thirds. You've got some presets that you could add in here as well, lower third presets. And those are like slide in lower thirds, which have the person's name or has something about that particular video. You've got the ability to create skips, pauses, loops, and also add in some social elements as well. You've also got an advanced tool. This is, I believe, an upgrade where you can actually record audio. You can record your screen or camera and actually have that inserted into your videos as well. So this itself, it's very easy to use this. You just select what you want to edit. You can edit on this left-hand side here. You can also use Advanced Edit, which basically will give you full customization control of anything that's on the video itself. You can also add videos, add additional media. You can replace media. So if you wanted to replace this video, for example, you just select it. This is actually an image, and it has a image over the top of it. You could just select this image, and then you could choose to replace it. So you could actually go into your library, you could replace this image, and then you could use that. So we've also got then produce, and this is when you want to publish your video. When you're ready to publish your video, you can first of all watch the video yourself. You need a project name. You can watch the video yourself. You can then go ahead and customize the settings that you're going to use to produce the video itself. I'm just going to save the project. So I go up to save in order to save the project. 1 second. Here it is right here. Save. Cool. Once that's saved, then it's going to allow me to produce this project. I go down to produce. I go to watch the video. Oh, I can watch the video if I want to, and then I'll be able to view how the video is looking before I actually produce it. And that's really handy because I can choose to make edits, and then at the end I can choose to produce this if I want to. So it's asking me to add my information. I'll add my information, click play, and now it's personalizing this video. So it was asking me to do that because obviously this is a preview and it wants to use some information within this video, but it doesn't need me to connect via Facebook like it will need people who are visiting your website. Then it's playing it. You can see some of the effects that I've already added in just as I was showing you this. It says my name, it has all the information there, and you can see how this works and how it's kind of operating in action now. So that is the editor. That's how the system works. When you're ready, you'll then be able to publish this video. You'll be able to embed it. You'll be able to use this on your sales pages and much, much more as well. So if you want to get access to the software, it's a one-time cost, a low one-time cost. You'll be able to get access to this. It's a Really, really cool editing system. I've only shown you part of what you can do with this. You can go really advanced with this system. And yeah, you can customize a lot with it. As you can see here, it's got everything split up into different layers. You've got video layers, audio. You've also got images and a whole lot that's included within this layer system right here. There's also a number of advanced settings, which you can use as well. They've got some really good training that shows how to use all of these different features. And you've even got different video ratios you can choose from as well. Cool, I'm Sam Beck, and thanks for listening to this video. I hope this was educational, was useful, and now you understand how the software works. You can make the right decision as to whether it's right for you or not, and buy the software if you want it. Now, if you want to go and get those bonuses, get in early. You'll be able to see all of the bonuses that I have available for this software listed down below. Thanks once again for coming to this page. I hope this was useful, you've enjoyed it, and I look forward to talking with you again soon. See you later.